We're going to start by removing our drain plug. That takes an 8mm Allen. Make sure you have a drip pan for your oil to drain into. Once you've got your drain plug removed, you want to check for any kind of metallic shavings. This one looks like it's in good shape. So our differential's in good shape. And check for the rubber O-ring on there as well. Make sure it's in good shape and attached. Go ahead and reinstall your drain plug. Remove your fill plug. It's also 8mm Allen. Today we're going to be using Polaris Demand Dry Fluid. Make sure you get the right stuff. And fill it up until it seeps out of the fill hole. And that's how easy it is to change the oil in your differential. Happy riding.